From getting to places we once never dreamed of, to designing the next generation of satellite communications, we are researching, building and testing the technology that helps Australia take the next step. Our precision manufacturing enables Australians to be part of global supply chains so that we can develop the technology that orbits in space and build the ground infrastructure that supports space activities in our southern skies. The application of these space technologies also helps to keep us safe. During times of bushfires and floods, emergency services use satellite images to understand the bigger picture, mapping areas and pinpointing locations, saving lives in the face of disaster. So now that we know what space technology does for us today, what opportunities does it hold for us tomorrow? The Australian Space Agency, growing and transforming the Australian space industry.